In order to write a perfect speech, you must be well acquainted with the topic and must possess a wide range of vocabulary, a thorough knowledge of the subject, some research, and excellent organizational skills. In this video, you will see the ideal format and tips which will help you to write perfect speech. So let's start with the video. So a perfect speech must contain certain points, and among them, number one is the heading. The heading should be catchy and in not more than 5 to 6 words. You can go as creative as you want with this one. Just make sure you don't devote too much time on it in the exam. Next is opening line. This includes salutations, introductions, and the topic. Make sure you do not mention your personal details, or you can, start with a quote related to the topic and then go with the salutations and introduction. Next is body. It is the main part of your writing piece. It is always prescribed that you begin with a short introduction on the topic. It meant to be precise. Then you need to explain the current situation, the problems, if any you have discussed in your speech, and whether after any corrective actions, betterment in the situation has been observed or not. It may include advantages, disadvantages, depending upon the topic in question. Now here it is very important that you should follow a sequence. It is possible that you have too many points or very few points. When you have a lot of varied points, it is better you choose a few best ones and write a line on each. In case you have very few already, explain them in at least 2 lines each. You have to strictly follow the prescribed word limit in a limited time frame. So just do not go on writing and writing. Okay. Most importantly, always begin with your strongest point. You can accommodate the weaker ones in between and end with another strong point. Feel free to give your personal opinion in 1 or 2 lines, but not more than that. It is very important that you do not divert from the topic. There are chances you may get ideas linking from one to another that may divert you from the main point, but you have to stick and remain to the main point of your speech. Elaborate that point. Lastly, it is about solution or concluding paragraph. Now, it is to be remembered that whenever you elaborate a problem, you always have to mention the steps being taken to improvise the situation and suggest a few solutions as well. Now, it would be great if you could add a few quotes relating to motivating the people to take action. Last but not the least, the concluding line, thanking the audience for their cooperation and their patience is must. It is very important to conclude what you have started. Never leave a speech or, for that matter, any of your answer open-ended. So this is an example of speech writing for you guys. The question is, write a speech in about 250 words, which you are going to address at a NGO center. The topic is helping the needy. So you have to mention the topic, and here the speech goes like this way. Ladies and gentlemen, walking down the streets of the city, we come across many people who can be termed as needy. The human traffickers force certain people to pose as needy. If we want to help the needy, we have to first make sure if they are really in need of our help. We can extend help to orphans where children who have been cast away at an early age need your help. There are people who are philanthropic by nature, donate a small percentage of their income to help these institutions. Some organization helps some very poor students, providing them with study material. Sponsorship is given to athletes and sportspersons who are talented. Whatever the case may be, what is our duty towards our fellow citizens who are in need of our help? Providence has helped us with our requirements. We should try to help others, providing them with whatever we can. Our help may be a drop in the ocean, but definitely a joint effort will carry many ships to the coast. Thank you, Jai Hind. So, this is the way you write a perfect speech. If you can see, the topic is helping the needy, and the entire speech is related to the main topic. Okay, there is not a single point where the topic has been missed. Okay, and as I said earlier, if your vocabulary is super good, it will be very easy to write the speech or to speak in front of the audience in a perfect way. So if it is possible, try to increase your vocabulary every day, day by day. It will really help you. I hope you understood this topic. See you next time.